So for your GP, your greater palatine, part of the process with this one is finding the foramen on the palate. And the way you do that is you're going to poke around, that's a technical term, with your cotton tip applicator until you find what I like to call the squishy spot. There's going to be a spot somewhere around your first or second molar that looks softer than the surrounding tissue. And that's because it is, because the foramen is sitting under there. On the distal aspect of that soft spot, that's where you're going to place your pressure anesthesia. So you're going to put your pressure anesthesia on the distal aspect of that soft spot. Okay? And then once you have some nice tissue blanching, we're going to approach across the palate. Okay? About midway between that midline and the gingival margin right into the anterior aspect of that soft spot. And that's going to be our minimum penetration. We're going to proceed until we touch the bone. Okay, probably about 3 or 4 millimeters. Back up 1 millimeter. Aspirate. Okay. Negative aspiration, just one on the palatals. And then we're going to go ahead and start depositing. Again, with our palatals, we're looking for that tissue blanching. Okay, be sure that you remember to take your time on your palatal injections. We got to go slow. The tissue is a hard tissue. It's firmly adhered to the bone, so it doesn't accept anesthetic as quickly as our softer tissues. So you're going to take your time. If your needle starts to bow, just relax your hand. So this is a nice example of good solid tissue blanching. Okay, go ahead and withdraw.